Hello all, welcome to another quick learning. Today we're going to go over a couple of exercises that are just going to be on pasting values and paste transposing. So these are kind of slightly special paste operations. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So the first one, they want you to paste values from B16 to B25 below to the yellow area. So the yellow area they're talking about is here. So if you don't know what this B16 to B25, don't worry about it. I'm going to show you how you can figure that out. So at the top here, you've got A, B, C, etc. So that B signifies what column you're in, so that would be this B column right here. And then 16 is the row number. So on the far left here, you've got all these numbers. So B16 is here. And then that colon means it's a range of values. It means it's going from B16 to B25. So if you go down, you'll see that you'll end up at B25 here. So that means all of these cells right here. All right. So now that we know what the range is that we're working with, I'll go ahead and give you a second to think about how you would paste values from here to here, and go ahead, if you have this workbook, go ahead and try that yourself. All right, so we're back. So you'll see that in these cells, if you look up here, that these cells are actually a calculation. So what happens if you just take one of these values and paste it is you're not going to get the same value that you have here, because it's going to take the calculation and it's actually going to change it based on the cell that is, it'll move it over one cell in the calculation. So we're not going to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to select these values, and then you can copy them, either Control-C or you can right click and do copy. And then we're going to go to the Home tab here, and we're going to select where we want it to go, or at least the upper left hand corner of where we want it to go. Then we're going to take this drop down from the paste, and you'll see this paste values. So we're going to go ahead and select that, and you'll see that that pastes the values here. These are no longer calculations. These are the actual values from these calculations over here. All right, so that's how you do that. And then the second exercise is paste transpose column values from E16, E25 to the green area. So again, we're looking at the E column here, so E16 is right here, and E16 to E25 is this range here. So I'll go ahead and give you a second to think about and explore how you would take these values and transpose them into this green box here. All right, hopefully you were able to figure it out yourself. If you did, you're an Excel master, but otherwise, let's go ahead and do this. So if I have this selected, I can hit Control-C on my keyboard, and this will be now copied. And then if I select the upper left-hand row, part of the row here, and if I go up to, again, the same Home tab, and then paste, and I'll select Transpose, you'll see that that will transpose those. So instead of going in one column, those now go in one row. Or if they were in two columns, then it would be in two rows like this. All right, hopefully you guys are able to also do that, and you'll join me for future videos. Thank you very much.